Have you ever found yourself waking up suddenly in the middle of the night, glancing at the clock and seeing 3 a.m., 4 a.m., or 5 a.m. staring back at you? You try to close your eyes, toss and turn, and count backward, but the harder you attempt to fall asleep, the more alert your mind becomes. By morning, you drag yourself out of bed feeling exhausted, frustrated, and completely unaware of why this keeps happening night after night. In this video, I'll share 5 essential things you need to do immediately when you wake up at these hours. Number 4, in particular, is something most people overlook, yet it could be the key to restoring deep, restful sleep and regaining your energy every day. Make sure to watch until the end. This might be the most important thing you do for your health today. If you often wake up at these times, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. 1. Your emotions might be waking you up. Do you ever wake up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., feeling uneasy, anxious, or even sad for no apparent reason? This might not be random. According to traditional Chinese medicine, this time period is associated with the lungs, an organ connected to emotions like grief and unresolved stress. If you frequently wake up with a sense of unease, take a moment to check in with yourself. Are you carrying stress, worrying about something, or suppressing emotions throughout the day? Writing down your thoughts or practicing deep breathing can help release this built-up emotional tension, allowing for a more restful sleep. Second, gentle movement to release tension. Instead of lying still and hoping for sleep to return, try gentle stretching. Lightly rolling your neck, stretching your back, or shaking out your legs can stimulate circulation and ease muscle stiffness, making it easier to relax back into sleep. 3. Listen to soothing sounds. Rather than reaching for your phone, try listening to pink noise, gentle sounds like rain, ocean waves, or rustling leaves, which has been shown to improve sleep quality. Alternatively, guided meditations or audiobooks with slow, calming narration can help shift your brain into a relaxed state. 4th, stop forcing yourself to sleep. Have you ever found yourself lying awake in the middle of the night, staring at the ceiling as the minutes tick by? You check the clock, 3 a.m. Panic sets in. If I fall asleep now, I'll still get 3 more hours. Then before you know it, it's 3:30, then 4 a.m., and you still haven't drifted back to sleep. The harder you try, the more elusive sleep becomes. This cycle is incredibly frustrating, especially for older adults. But here's an important truth. The more you stress about sleep, the harder it becomes to fall back asleep. This happens because your body starts releasing cortisol, the stress hormone, when you feel pressured to sleep. Instead of relaxing, your body stays in a state of alertness, making it even more difficult to return to sleep. The solution? Stop forcing yourself to sleep. Instead, embrace wakefulness as an opportunity. If you wake up at night, rather than tossing and turning, gently sit up and take a deep breath. Ask yourself, what is my body trying to tell me? Are you uncomfortable? Is your mind racing with thoughts? Addressing these underlying factors can be key to improving your overall sleep quality. Even some of history's greatest minds, Leonardo da Vinci, Benjamin Franklin, and Nikola Tesla, used these quiet hours for deep thinking and creativity. Why not do the same? Keep a small notebook by your bed, and if you wake up at these early hours, jot down whatever comes to mind. It could be a random thought, a forgotten memory, or an emotion you haven't fully processed. Writing it down not only clears your mind, but also provides insight into what might be keeping you awake. If physical discomfort is the issue, adjust your sleeping position, swap your pillow, or pull up a different blanket for better comfort. Small changes in your sleep environment can make a significant difference in how quickly you fall back asleep. Ultimately, don't force sleep. Accept wakefulness as a natural part of the night and use the time wisely. If sleep doesn't return, don't panic. Your body may just need a moment to reset. 5. Hydrate smartly for better sleep. If you wake up in the middle of the night feeling restless, overheated, or with a racing heartbeat, your body might be signaling dehydration. Many older adults, particularly women over 60, have a less sensitive thirst mechanism, meaning they may not always feel thirsty even when their body needs water. The best way to hydrate at night: avoid reaching for ice-cold water. Drinking cold water too quickly can shock your system, raising your heart rate and making it harder to relax. Instead, sip warm or room temperature water, which is easier for your body to absorb without disrupting your sleep cycle. For optimal hydration, try adding a pinch of sea salt or a slice of lemon to your water. These additions help replenish essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which play a crucial role in muscle relaxation and preventing leg cramps. One of the common reasons older adults wake up at night. If you often wake up feeling anxious, a warm cup of chamomile tea or a small spoonful of honey can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing nighttime wake-ups linked to blood sugar fluctuations. Waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. doesn't have to be a frustrating experience. By listening to your body, hydrating properly, addressing emotional stress, incorporating gentle movement, and using soothing sounds, you can transform these early morning wake-ups into an opportunity for better health and deeper sleep. If you found these tips helpful, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more sleep and wellness advice.